Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel. My name's Tony, and this video we're going to show you the hidden treasures in your bathroom wall. But before I show you what's going on in this bathroom I'm tearing apart, remember if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you get all the latest and greatest videos. So I'm tearing apart my bathroom. It's an old cape built in like 1956, and we redid this bathroom years ago. I've got to tear it down again, redo it even better. And they used to have an old medicine cabinet with this mirror is. So with that said, it used to be recessed inside the wall. So if you're ever tearing apart an old house, just be careful of hidden treasures in the wall. So with those old medicine cabinets, a lot of them had like a little slot in the top. When you opened up the door, there's a little slot, and the old guys would throw their razor blades down that slot, and they would go all the way down and land at the bottom of the inside wall. And there's a ton of them in here, so I'll show you what they look like. So I've been vacuuming out piles of things because I don't want any of our animals to get hurt on them. But there's like a trillion of them in here, and they're all rusty. So yeah, they would throw these things in the wall. So if you know that this even existed, this goes right up there with one of those things with, what were they thinking? Why would you put these in your bathroom wall? It makes no sense at all. And, it's not sanitary. Somebody could get hurt if they're doing construction in there. And why didn't they throw them in the garbage? But it's kind of a heads up. If you're working on an old house and you got to go digging inside the walls for some plumbing or electrical issues. And just kind of wanted to show you the hidden treasures that I'm digging out of here while working on this bathroom. So I hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel.